Let me show you how to factory set your Segway Ninebot scooter. So this method will work on any Ninebot scooters and also the Xiaomi scooters, since they're the same thing basically. Okay, first things first, we actually need to turn it off if you have it turned on. So press the power button until it basically turns off and nothing is here basically. Then the procedure will differ between several scooters, the Ninebot scooters basically, because for some you actually need to see the E14 and for some E10 Lite, and for some you need to hold and do this procedure for a longer period of time. So for most, this is how I do it. You have to basically press your brake lever, I also pressing this one and pressing and holding the power button. But depending on scooter, how long you hold the button will depend. So let's see on this one basically. So I'm holding these two at the same time and then pressing this one, okay? And keep holding it basically till you see a red sign like this. And basically once this red sign appears here and also orange here, I think, you can basically release. Also on some scooters it takes like 10 seconds to hold this, so really try, if you like, basically when you try it and it doesn't shows you that sign right away, so keep holding it basically for like 10 seconds on some models. So it really depends. Also on some models it might say the E10 as well, or E14. So this is basically how I do it. And yep, and really basically, so this process can fix quite a lot of problems on all these scooters. And if you're maybe even selling this scooter, I suggest to do that as well. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you.